Good morning, folks. Johnny Bonzo here. I am down in Northport, Florida for my father-in-law's 80th birthday. Happy birthday, Big T. Just getting out here before the festivities and got this little guy. Hopefully it's going to be a great day and stay tuned, folks. I'm looking for the big girl. Jack Hammer's working pretty good this morning. About 10 casts, got 2 fish. The Jack Hammer. Plus it's one of my favorite baits to fish. The way they hammer this thing, they absolutely torch it. Folks, this could be the fish of the week. Oh, it feels heavy. Folks, I have no idea what I have. Folks, it's pulling. Still haven't seen it, folks. Oh my God. God, folks. If this is a bass, this is the world record. It hit a rattle trap. Never saw it. It didn't break off, it released. Oh my God, that thing was pulling. I don't know, I've never seen a carp in here. Maybe a huge tilapia, maybe a huge bass. I threw the rattle trap out. Within a second it had it in its mouth. I don't know what else would do that. Oh man, that's gonna haunt me. One of my favorite spots here. It's produced a few 6s, definitely not a 6, but hit that Jack Hammer like a beast. Whoa. 2 casts in a row. Honest to God, it looks like the same exact fish I just caught. The hammer. I'm not kidding. I really think I just caught a fish 3 times in a row on 3 casts. Maybe not, but golly. If so, that's one aggressive fish. They're really biting. A lot of smalls. There are definitely some big fish in here. Just keep looking. Yes, sirree, Bob. Well, that's probably my best fish this. Look at her. Folks, I've grabbed every fish today on a jackhammer. I think that's all I'm going to use the rest of the day. Nice fish right there. All right. Yes, sir. First time I've ever caught a fish in this spot. In fact, I'm sure Big Bass Balecki's going to be surprised. I've caught 2 on this this part. This guy, wow, nice fish. This guy came up and got her. Wow, what a great morning. Later on, I'll be celebrating Big T's 80th birthday. Really looking forward to that, seeing all the fellas. Yes! Wow! The jackhammer! Folks, this fish a week or 2 ago was probably a 6 or 7. Holy cow, she's long. Look at that fish. Spawned out. Oh, drilled that freaking jackhammer. God, that's one of the longer fish I've ever caught. Oh, good. Whoa. The jackhammer. Folks, what a great time I've had fishing here today. Time to go home, get ready for Big T's birthday, 80th birthday. Look at this fish I just caught with a jackhammer. Absolutely stunning, gorgeous fish. I believe it's a tilapia, and this thing pulls like a tank. Folks, great time to hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Happy 80th birthday, Tommy boy. We all love you, buddy. Boom!